Visit us on onestepenglish.education.
Hello. Welcome to English Conversation course of One Step English.
Today, we are talking about expressing opinions, likes, and dislikes. Expressions. Part 2.
Here are the expressions that were used in expressing opinions, likes, and dislikes. We already discussed some of them from the previous videos. Now, we are going to discuss in this video the remaining expressions. Yeah. Yeah is an informal way of saying yes. It is pronounced with two syllables, yeah. Man. Man introduces something that the speaker feels strongly about. For example, did you get it?
Man, this course is really hard. Man.
Man, this course is really hard. Get along. Get along with someone means to live, work, or play with someone without problems or arguments. For example,
What can you say about Matthew?
Matthew is very easygoing. He gets along with everybody. Gets along.
Matthew is very easygoing. He gets along with everybody. Hang out. To hang out means to do something socially with one or more other people. For example,
What's your plan tonight?
We're going to hang out at Matthew's house this evening. Hang out.
we are going to hang out at Matthew's house this evening. Grab a bite. To grab a bite, or to eat, means to get something to eat quickly. For example,
Do you want me to cook breakfast?
we're in a hurry to get there, so we'll just grab a bite to eat at a fast food place. Grab a bite. We're in a hurry to get there, so we'll just grab a bite to eat at a fast food place. Roomie. Roomie is an informal name for a person who shares a bedroom or home with you. For example,
How do you like your new roomie?
She's cool.
Roomie.
how do you like your new roomie? Scholarship. A scholarship is a prize, or an award that provides money that enables someone to attend a private school or university. For example,
What's your plan next year?
I'm hoping to get a scholarship so I can go away to college next year. Scholarship.
I'm hoping to get a scholarship so I can go away to college next year. Little League. Little League is an organization that teaches baseball to children, organizes them into teams, and arranges games and tournaments for them. For example,
Do Matthew really likes basketball?
Matthew just loves baseball. He's been playing it ever since he was in Little League. Little League.
Matthew just loves baseball. He's been playing it ever since he was in Little League.
Let's test your knowledge.
Choose the letter of the correct answer.
One. Why did you order this? You know I, blank, this kind of food. A. Can't stand. B. Don't get along with. The correct answer is, letter A. Can't stand. Why did you order this? You know I can't stand this kind of food. 2. Julie can afford to go to college. She has savings, blank, she got a scholarship. A. Even if. B. Plus. The correct answer is, letter B. Plus. Julie can afford to go to college. She has savings, plus she got a scholarship. 3. We are interested in buying the house we saw this morning. Blank, it's much nicer than we expected. A. Actually. B. Finally. The correct answer is, letter A. Actually. We are interested in buying the house we saw this morning. Actually, it's much nicer than we expected. 4. Do you like your new roomie? Yeah, I, blank, with her pretty well. A. Hang out. B. Get along. The correct answer is, letter B. Get along. Do you like your new roomie? Yeah, I get along with her pretty well. 5. I just saw the movie. Blank, what did you think of the main antagonist? A. I tell you. B. Speaking of which. The correct answer is, letter B. Speaking of which. I just saw the movie. Speaking of which, what did you think of the main antagonist?
Let's test your knowledge.
Choose the letter of the most appropriate response to each of the following questions or statements.
One. What did you think of her dress? A. Are you kidding me? It was gross. B. Actually, I'm not up for it. The correct answer is, letter A. Are you kidding me? It was gross. 2. Would you like to have dinner with me at the new Japanese restaurant? A. To be honest with you, I can't stand Japanese food. B. You could grab a bite. The correct answer is, letter A. To be honest with you, I can't stand Japanese food. 3. We're on the boat. Come over and hang out with us. A. I'm up for that. B. I tell you, it's depressing. The correct answer is letter A. I'm up for that. 4. Man. I'm really hungry. A. Let's join Little League. B. Let's grab a bite to eat. The correct answer is letter B. Let's grab a bite to eat. 5. I've had a really bad day. A. That's awesome. B. I can tell. The correct answer is letter B. I can tell.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.